Hi, Eric Mercia here with another episode of Tech Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to be talking about a little feature that's built into most every internet browser that I'm aware of for when you're browsing things like bank websites, your credit card website, or potentially any questionable websites that you may not be familiar with. And what this little feature does, it's called different things. Internet Explorer calls it in private browsing. Google Chrome calls it incognito browsing, and I believe Firefox calls it in private browsing as well. So what it essentially does is while you're viewing those particular sites or a particular site in that mode, it does not cache or save any information like credentials or history or anything. So essentially it's another way to safeguard yourself when you're browsing the internet. So in Internet Explorer, if we open that up, you can see that if we, this is on Windows 10 of course, if we click these three little dots on the right hand side, we can do a new in private window, and what that does is it opens up a private browsing window. It says in private all over the place, and then it gives you a brief description about what it is. So your browsing data like cookies, history, or temporary files are not saved on your device after you're done. So like I said, it's a very secure way of browsing. Whenever I log into my bank websites, I normally do in private browsing just as an added measure. Inside of Chrome, if we click on those same little three dots over there, we can do a new incognito window, and again it gives us a brief description of what's going on here. So that's your tech tip for this Tuesday. Definitely use it. It will create a safer browsing experience for yourself and avoid any information getting out into the public that shouldn't be. Look forward to talking to you again next week, and that's your tech tip for this week.